Hey guys, Tammy Trier, TrierWilderness.com. I thought I would share this with you. This is a local lake. I was on my way to a treatment this morning and saw that they had migrated, so I'm on my way back here and I thought I would stop. This is really cool. These are swans. And I've never seen swans live and in person other than in the movies until I moved to Idaho. And I just think that is so cool. You can hear them. But there's some right down here swimming. It's just a really awesome sight to see, and I just thought I would pause and just do a quick video and share that with you guys. There's hundreds of them. This is just a small portion of the lake that they're on, but they're all over. So spring is on its way. Yay.